Hi everyone, my name is M.Alfur.leadershipWala and I welcome you all to my new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Our show name is Tips Talk. Today I watched a very interesting video about use data to build better school. Uh, and the host was Andreas Schleicher. Andreas Schleicher talk use data to build better schools is a powerful and thought-provoking uh, presentations that explore how education system can be transformed through the intelligence use of data as a leading figure at the Organization for Economics Cooperation and Development and the creator of PISA PISA. Sachiro brings deep insight backed by global research and real world examples. In this talks, Andrews Sachiro emphasizes the data is not just about numbers, it's about understanding what truly works in education. He argued that many school systems around the world rely too heavy on traditional outdated method or instead of evidence based strategies. By using reliable data, educators and policymakers can identify strength, address weakness, and build more effective and equitable learning environment. Uh, One of the central message of this stall is that data should guide decision making. Secular explain how international assessment like PISA provide value insights into student performance across countries. These insights help answer important questions such as why do some students perform better than others? What teaching method are most effective? How do socio-economic factors influence learning outcomes? Sorry, it was socio because I just forget what I want to start this one. So he highlight that data allow countries to benchmark their performance globally, learning from systems that consistently achieved high results. Secular used example from top performance education systems such as Finland, Singapore, and a part of Canada to demonstrate how data-driven strategies had to success. These systems share several key, uh, which is a strong teacher training and respect for the profession, and focus on equity, ensuring all students have equal opportunities, continuous improvement based on feedback and evidence, rather than copy those systems blindly. Secular encourage countries to adopt best practice to their own culture and social context. And a particular impact part of this of the talk is the secular discuss on equal in education, equity in education. He explained that giving every student the same resources is not enough. Instead, system should focus on equity, providing additional support to those who need it most. Because there are some students who are most intelligent in their own performance or maybe their own work, like they are best in physics, some are best in math, or there are some who are best in painting, etc. Because there are too many parts where everyone is better than other, or maybe everyone has their own mindset for those who want to focus on things. And so he encouraged countries to adapt best practice of their own because every country has their own culture. They don't only focus like other countries who are already successful. They need to adopt their own cultures, and there are different kind of culture in every country. Or so practically impact part of the talk, settlers discuss equity in education. He explained, given students same resources, equity is not enough. Instead, a system should focus on equity, providing additional support by those who need it most. Data play a crucial role here by helping identify underperforming student groups, gaps in assess inequity, quality education, barrier related to poverty or background, because there are some maybe countries or universities, schools where uh, people always check the other person background, then they provide support. So they don't, if they want the student to improve, or if they want a successful people in their own city or country, so they need to provide everyone equity educational also. For those who are better than others, they need to provide them more chances, so they can create a better environment for everyone. And secular stress that teacher are at the heart of any successful education system. Data should not be used to punish teacher, but rather to support professional development, share best practice, encourage collaboration. In high performance country, teachers are treated as the professionals who continuously learn and improve, often using data to define their teaching method. Because not all students are best, or not all students are weak in subjects like different. So another key theme is the shift from an industrial model or education to a more modern, flexible system. Traditional system often focus on memorizing and standardized process, while modern education should emphasize critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, lifelong learning. Data helps track whether students are actually developing these skills rather than just passing exams. Uh, because data is very important. And while Setchler strongly support data-driven education, he also acknowledges its limitation. Data can be misinterpreted, interpreted, or misused. Over reliance or on testing can narrow the curriculum. Cultural difference must be considered while comparing result. He want that data should inform decision, not dictate them blindly. Data is a powerful tool for improving education system and used wisely. Successful system focus on both equity and quality and equity. Teachers play a critical role. One should support, not judge. Learning from global data can inspire meaningful reforms. Education must evolve to meet the need of modern world. That's it from my side. I hope you guys also like the session. It was very important session, and maybe you guys also find this interesting and watch this video on YouTube. It can help you in every ways. Uh, that's it from my side, and Allah Hafiz.